patron and storyteller today on the SS area. Now for your safety, please remain seated with all hands, arms, feet and legs accessible at all times. And please supervise any children, so our story does not take any unintended turns. And there we go. Inside the belly of Monster, the big rock is the boilers on their Now our friend Monstro is taking us to a magical place called Storybook Land. In Storybook Land, our story begins with the three little pigs and the big bad book. If you look closely to your left, you can see this cave. But don't worry because our piggies are safe across on the right, with their houses made of straw, sticks, and wolf-proof boots. As you take a turn just around the corner, to your left you'll find a quaint village where Alice is from. One golden afternoon, she followed the White Rabbit down into Wonderland, where things only became curiouser and curiouser. But if that's not your cup of tea, North Star on our right is London Park, where John, Michael, and Wendy flew off to Neverland, where they would never, ever grow up. Cities Enchantment, Azuma, wore Aladdin the Princess Jasmine and stole her heart. The two fell in love and now live happily married inside the palace with the Sultan. Speaking of enchantment, the arches of love, life, and ladders, the same ones that Aladdin and Jasmine moved over, under, and sideways. On a magical paper ride to a whole new world. Starting mysterious arcade of wonders, where Aladdin found Jesus and was granted 3 wishes. Let's all make a wish on the left and see if it comes true. Up next on our story to our right we have the cottage belonging to the 7th Lord, who offers Snow White safety as she fled from the evil king. And on your left hand you'll find the story of Cinderella. She now lives in the beautiful pink castle on top of the hill. Now thanks to her fairy godmother, she was granted the wish of attending the ball, living there and so love. Up next on our left, all those plants that you see, not only are they real, but they were also inspired by a 1933 release in a cartoon called Lullaby Land. Lullaby Land was one of master storyteller Walt Disney's favorites, and it continues to inspire many stories today. On our left we have Toad Manor. You'll see Mo's home followed by Toad Hall, so you won't find Mr. Toad as he's off to a motor car ride to nowhere in particular. Arendelle, where Queen Elsa fled to the Northern Mountains, but Princess Anna couldn't let it go. She proves to Elsa that true love does conquer all. As we flip the page to our right, we have Alpine Village, where Pinocchio saves Geppetto from Monstro. Now, because of this bravery act, the Blue Fairy granted the wish of making Pinocchio a real-life boy. Prince Eric's castle. Prince Eric fell in love with the beautiful little mermaid who came from Antarctica. Manama is located behind our waterfall, as it is ruled by King Charles alongside his 7 daughters. Now frantically slowly come to dock, we ask that you please remain seated with all hands, arms, and fingers inside the door. Remain seated until our boat comes to a complete stop.